In the metals quadrant, take a look at the gold futures contract, which had a down week, but it was slightly higher on the day, only slightly lower on the week though. When you look at today, we were actually down almost 0.7% or 2/3% if you want to look at that way, 66 basis points at 1,817.70. And then we rallied up in toward the close, reaching a high of 1833.70, which was up about 0.2%, a little bit higher than that. And we finished up towards those highs, mildly higher, about 16 basis points or short of that 0.2% high that we reached. Now, gold is down 3 of the last 5 sessions and 3 of the last 4 weeks. But honestly, it hasn't moved that much. Since the close of May, it's only down slightly less than 1%, 98 basis points, and it still hasn't broken through that key $1,800 support level. So gold is doing fairly well. Now, yields were lower this week. U.S. yields fell 9 basis points in the 2-year sector, 19 basis points in the 5-year sector. Remember, this is all in 1 week. And in the 10-year, down 8 basis points. In the 30-year, down 5 basis points. We actually had the 2-year dip below 3% yesterday, and the 10-year get close to 3% yesterday, but we ended up rallying back above that on Friday. So we ended up with a down week for yields, which is supportive of gold. But then when you look at seasonality, the seasonal period for gold right now is very weak. Now, seasonality, as I've mentioned 100 times, is not a trading strategy, but this is one of the weaker seasonal periods. It's very short and sharp in terms of that weakness seasonally. So when you look at it from that perspective, not having broken 1,800 and having held in as well as it has with consecutive down weeks, gold is doing pretty well.